Hi, I'm Janet with Southern Edge Math, and today we will be using Desmos to help us solve linear equation word problems. My goal is to help you know exactly what to type, what to look for, and how to feel more confident using Desmos on test day. So let's begin with our first example. A repair technician charges a one-time service fee of $65 plus $12 per hour of labor. If the total charge for a repair was $161, how many hours of labor were charged? When you're dealing with linear equation word problems, I need you to recall slope-intercept form. A lot of these equations, when we write them out, especially when we're dealing with just simply one variable, will be in some type of form of the slope-intercept. So in our problem, we need to be able to identify what is the intercept and what part is the slope or the rate of change. And from here, what we're going to find is we have 65 plus. So if you actually write it exactly how it's stating, 65 plus, and then 12 per. A lot of times when you see a number per hour, per day, per week, that is your slope or your constant rate of change. And so in this case, we will have 12x, and that is equal to 161. Now, if that is confusing because I put the y-intercept first and then the slope and then the 161, if you need to reverse that into the slope-intercept form so that makes you feel more comfortable, you're welcome to do that. From here, what you'll need to do is to grab your Desmos graphing calculator and type the equation in. So take care of that. Okay, once you have your equation typed in and you have your vertical line, you can click the x-intercept point with your cursor, and that will pop up the ordered pair 8, 0. So therefore, 8 is your solution to this equation, and 8 is the value or how many hours of labor were charged. All right, let's go to the next one. A catering company charges a base setup fee and an additional cost per guest. The total cost in dollars for X guests is given by the equation 9x plus 120 is equal to 390. Okay, but this time it wants to know which equation has the same solution for X as the given equation. So the way that you will want to handle this is that you will want to type your original equation into Desmos. Then you will want to type each one of your selections in multiple choice here to see which one gives you the exact same vertical line. So take a moment, grab your Desmos graphing calculator, insert the original equation in line 1, and then begin typing in each of your multiple choice selections until you have one that matches the vertical line from your original equation. So take a moment to do that. Okay, the original equation when I typed it in gives me a vertical line and an x-intercept at 30. So now I'm going to start typing each of the multiple choice options underneath to see which one, or underneath the original equation, to see which one matches the same vertical line and has 30 as the solution. Okay. Option A does not match my purple vertical line. Actually, it is all the way over here. 1, 1, 1. Now I will type in B. Option B does not work either, and that x-intercept is all the way over here at 56.66667. Now we'll try option C to see if it works. Option C does not work either. In fact, that x-intercept is all the way over here at 90. So that leaves me that choice D will be the matching or equivalent solution. And we'll type that in and take a look. So now you can see that 3x plus 40 equals 130, which is option D, is the line that matches our vertical line from the original equation. So I can turn that one off and on, and you can see here, there's the purple, there's the green. So the purple and the green match up. So option A, B, and C did not align with our vertical line and go through x-intercept of 30. So those are the two equations that have the same solution. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along to catch the next video installment of this series, so you can keep building those test day skills. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.